Got me in focus?
Yes. Let's try it again.
Alright. Is it going now?
Yeah, it's going.
Okay.
Oh, we were fishing. We fished like bad dogs. Look at this goddamn snow.
It's not bad.
No doubt. My Jeep has icicles on it. Meow.
Isn't it look a lot like Christmas?
Well, Valerie missed all the fun, huh?
Valerie did. Let's see. Let's take a measurement here.
Look.
I
Look
would
up.
say that's a good 7
Look up.
inches, 8 inches right there.
Yeah,
What do you think?
there's plenty. There's plenty. Well, we're signing off before the camera gets too wet. Well, we made it out of Woods Canyon Lake. We stopped here for some eating.
And we just went
Slight-
four-wheeling.
Slight snow flurries.
And that was scary.
Amazing. Snow flurries here. Still a bunch of snow and jizz on the Jeep. But it still shines through. Man, seems gonna need some serious washing. And
Karen,
I
that
guess
was scary.
it's time for lunch, if you know what I mean. As we fade out and say,